how to view private Instagram profile picture. Firstly, when you get into a fiction like this one, you need to go on the search box setup, which is on the second selection right down. Then from here you can check it out and find out an account which is related on your interest, and from there you need to find out account which is a private section. As you can see, all these accounts are not private, are public, and this is why I'm trying to find out some of them. And yeah, I cannot find it from there, and this is why I'm gonna go for that account. And right here, guys, as you can see, this account, it is private, but what you can see here on your upper side, it is her private profile picture. But as you can see, you cannot see other posts because, yeah, of course, this account is private. You need to follow her and then take down for accepting that request from her and then following each other. But as you can see here, now you have got the chance to view her profile picture.